you ever wondered how high-quality artificial turf is made? The artificial grass we see on sports fields and kindergartens looks simple. In fact, it undergoes standardized and rigorous production procedures to ensure durability and comfort. Today, let's walk through the complete production process of our turf. Step 1. Fiber extrusion. We mix premium raw materials with precise additives. The mixture is melted at a constant high temperature and extruded into fine grass fibers. The hot fibers are rapidly cooled in a cold water tank and even lie stretched to enhance toughness and flexibility. Step 2. Yarn twisting. Single grass fibers are soft and weak. We twist 3 to 5 fibers into one tight yarn strand. This process greatly improves tensile resistance, making the grass suitable for long-term frequent stepping and pulling. Step 3. Twisting. The twisted yarns are installed on professional tufting machines. The machine implants yarns vertically into the turf backing according to fixed height and spacing, forming neat and natural grass clusters. Step 4. Latex coating. Tufted turf needs firm fixation. We adopt formal, dehyde-free and eco-friendly rubber latex. The glue is even light-coated on the backing and grass roots. Then cured at high temperature, it tightly locks the grass tufts and effectively prevents fiber shedding. Step 5. Quality inspection and packing. Every batch of finished turf will undergo strict sampling inspection. We check flatness, firmness, and wear resistance. Only fully qualified products will be neatly packed for shipment. Strict every process, only to create reliable high-quality artificial turf.